There's nothing quite like the taste of a perfectly baked pizza, crispy crust, gooey cheese, and piping hot toppings, all made fresh in your own backyard. This Cuisinart grill. Top Pizza Oven Kit makes this possible by turning your gas, charcoal, or pellet grill into a powerful pizza oven. Whether you're a grill enthusiast or simply love homemade pizza, this kit delivers professional quality results without the need for a separate oven. In this review, we'll break down what sets the Cuisinart Pizza Oven Kit apart, highlighting its top features, key benefits, and why it's a must-have for outdoor cooking. Solving common outdoor cooking challenges. Grilling enthusiasts often face the challenge of achieving pizzeria-quality results at home. Standard grills struggle to maintain the high, consistent temperatures needed for crispy crusts. An uneven heat distribution can lead to undercooked toppings or soggy bases. The Cuisinart Grill. Top Pizza Oven Kit addresses these issues head-on. By leveraging your grill's heat source, it creates a controlled cooking environment that reaches up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering restaurant-style pizzas in just 5 to 7 minutes. Whether you're craving Neapolitan, New York style, or homemade artisan pies, this kit ensures every slice is perfection. Why the Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven? Kit stands out. This innovative kit combines versatility, ease of use, and professional-grade performance in a compact, grill-friendly design. Here's a closer look at its key features and how they elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Grill-powered convenience. The kit transforms any gas, charcoal, or pellet grill into a high-powered pizza oven. No need for additional fuel sources or bulky equipment, just place the oven box on your grill's cooking surface and you're ready to bake. Cordierite Pizza Stone. The included cordierite baking stone is a standout feature designed to retain and distribute heat evenly for a perfectly crispy crust every time. It mimics the performance of traditional pizza ovens, ensuring consistent results. Stainless steel interior. The oven's reflective stainless steel sides enhance heat distribution, ensuring toppings cook evenly while the crust achieves that coveted golden crunch. This thoughtful design eliminates hot spots for flawless pizzas. Integrated thermometer. Precision is key in pizza making, and the built-in thermometer, which reads up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, allows you to monitor the oven's temperature with ease. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to consistent results. 12-inch aluminum pizza peel. The lightweight aluminum peel, complete with a foldable wooden handle, makes transferring pizzas to and from the oven a breeze. Its compact design ensures easy storage, perfect for small spaces. Versatile cooking options. Beyond pizzas, this kit is ideal for baking bread, roasting meats, or even preparing casseroles like macaroni and cheese. It's a multifunctional tool that maximizes your grill's potential. Benefits that make a difference. The Cuisinart Grill. Top Pizza Oven. Kit isn't just about making pizza, it's about elevating your entire outdoor cooking experience. Here are the top benefits that set it apart. Restaurant quality results at home. Achieve pizzeria-style pizzas with crispy crusts and perfectly melted toppings, all from the comfort of your backyard. The cordierite stone and high heat ensure professional-grade outcomes. Space-saving and cost-effective. No need to invest in a standalone pizza oven. This kit leverages your existing grill, saving space and money while delivering exceptional performance. Easy to use and store. With no assembly required and a foldable pizza peel, this kit is user-friendly and perfect for beginners and pros alike. Its compact design fits most 2 to 6 plus burner grills, making it a versatile addition to any setup. Who is this kit perfect for? The Cuisinart Grill. Top Pizza Oven. Kit is designed for a wide range of outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Pizza lovers. If you dream of crafting artisanal pizzas at home, this kit delivers the high heat and precision needed for authentic results. Grill enthusiasts. For those who already own a gas, charcoal, or pellet grill, this kit maximizes your grill's potential, adding a new dimension to your cooking repertoire. Families and entertainers. Perfect for hosting pizza parties, this kit is ideal for creating personalized pies for small gatherings or family dinners. Its compact size makes it great for couples or small households. Outdoor cooking novices. With its straightforward setup and included pizza peel, this kit is approachable for beginners looking to dip their toes into pizza making without committing to a full-size oven. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.